Management of natural resources. Natural resources are naturally occurring features or characteristics of the environment, such as air, water, land, oil, natural gas, minerals, and all other natural resources. Natural resources could mean wildlife, trees, and other aspects of the natural environment. What is natural resource management? Let us understand the basics of the natural resource management. Natural resource management is the sustenance and conservation of natural resources such as land, water, marine and biological systems with a particular focus on how the management affects the quality of life for both present and future generations. It is about the long-term implications of actions, thinking about the future and not just about now. Every moment of our lives, we use the resources that nature provides. We breathe the air that encircles our earth. We use vegetation for food, pasture, and shelter. We live in houses made from wood that was once trees, brick that was once clay, and steel that was once minerals in the earth. We drink water that falls as rain and also use it to irrigate the land. We use energy provided by coal and oil or the sun. We depend on nature to supply all our basic needs: air, food, water, shelter, warmth, energy. Yet few of us consciously acknowledge these gifts or think about the price nature pays for such generosity. There are often global level environmental problems related to exploitation of natural resources by humans, and we feel helpless to make any changes. Major contributor to global environmental problem is the emission of carbon dioxide. A variety of human activities lead to the emission of carbon dioxide CO2. The largest source of CO2 emissions globally is the combustion of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas in power plants, automobiles, industrial facilities, and other sources. A number of specialized industrial production processes and products, uses such as mineral production, metal production, and the use of petroleum based products can also lead to CO2 emissions. Trees and plants absorb or remove CO2 from the atmosphere and turn it into biomass. Deforestation, conversely, can lead to significant levels of CO2 emissions. You must have seen Bharat Stage 2 written on the rear of the vehicles. What does this indicate? Bharat Stage emission standards are emission norms instituted by the Government of the Republic of India, Bharat, that regulate the output of air pollutants. In many cases, they are similar to European emission standards. Emission standards are requirements that set specific limits to the amount of pollutants that can be released into the environment. How can we contribute towards the meeting the norms set by the government? There are number of ways by which carbon dioxide emissions can be minimized.